Hi guys, I wanted to bring a video to you guys. Tiana Taylor had on a royal blue swimsuit, and she was on a yacht, and everybody, went crazy over the internet like, oh my God, that is so loving. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that, how to achieve that. So I just took two pieces of fabric and cut them really, really long. Cut them really, really long, right? And I'm going to go in the hallway and put it on, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all. That's all it is. It's a long piece of fabric. Now, let me say this. These are not intended to swim in. They're more or less to be beautiful, because if you move either way, you can expose yourself. But I'm going to use some of my roll-on adhesive, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looked like. All right, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so you see how simple it is? So you take that piece, you wrap it around your neck, and you make it even. Wrap it around your neck, go across your breast, put one this way, the one that way. You take it up behind your butt like a pair of thongs, wrap it around and tie it. And what I put on is this, it stays, roll-on adhesive, so this is not going to move. So if y'all wind up doing this and want to, wear, I will still say this is not made for no swimming pool. This is just probably sexy, a picture, a photo shoot or something like that. I wouldn't get in the water with this. Maybe walk around the beach being cute, but for me, I don't feel that it's protected enough, but I have on that tape. You see that? That's what you wear, and then you ain't got to worry about your boobs falling out. And then I just took another piece of fabric and just covered up my buttocks. But it's, it's in between the legs like a pair of thongs. So this is a no-sew project. You just take that fabric, cut it the long way, and wrap it around your neck, down between your legs, up between the butt like thongs, tie it, boom, there you go. And then meet these two pieces together in between the legs. So meet them together, and then just tie it. And I just put this on to cover it up. So that's how y'all would make that Tiana Taylor inspired swimsuit. But again, I wouldn't go swimming in it. So I hope that helped you guys. Bye-bye. Here go a couple screenshots, but hers was actually a two-piece. But if you guys want to get that wraparound top, that's what you need to do. Just a piece of fabric. Here's the beautiful Tiana Taylor. So, hope you guys like it. All right.